What's up, good people? How you doing? It's Larry Jones. Welcome to Stock Up. Hey, I'm going to chop this one up really quick. If I say anything that you like, then go ahead, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Those of you that's been rolling with me for a while, hey, you already know what to do. It helps to keep me alive when you hit that like button. Today, we're going to talk about stock that we want to keep an eye on this week, all right? And for those of you that's been asking for the merch, here we go. I'm going to be wearing different items this week. This is one of them. This is What's Up, Good People, my tag. You can get it with my face and without my face. All right, I'll talk about that at the end. Let's go. One of the things I want to talk about at the point of shooting this, Tesla is about to have their earnings report. All right. Remember, I said Tesla is one of the ones we want to watch this week. I said that Tesla is a absolute long-term hold for me, buy and hold every time it dips below 600, which it very well can do again. I continue to buy. I'm buying Tesla long-term. It is the leader in the EV game. And I don't care what is happening, even with China and their bans and all of that. Tesla is more than just a car company. It's IT, it's AI, it's everything. It's a tech company that manufactures cars. And so I just think Tesla's just scratching the surface. I'm bullish on Tesla, just like Cathie Wood. I am. Cathie Wood said it could be to 3,000 by 2025. I'm going to continue adding from here until 2025. That's how bullish I am. But long term, Tesla is a stock that I plan to hold for a generation. I'm of the firm belief that if you're going to create generational wealth, you need to hold a stock for at least a generation. Okay. And when you see me driving a Tesla, you're going to know that Tesla paid for that Tesla. All right, let's keep it moving. I'm going to deal with the EVs on this one today. All right. Lucid Motors. Now, Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID, which was CCID. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was CCIV rather. It was Churchill Capital that did the merger. All right. It was a SPAC. Merger happened and it's actually going well. It's up today. It's up. When I looked at it last, it was $27. Now, for those of you that's been following me, I have some in my high growth long-term portfolio, but I'm looking to get more of Lucid Motors. I am extremely bullish on their technology, on their car. The CEO is someone that I have a lot of confidence in. As a matter of fact, listen to this very short clip.
And I would like to tell everyone we're on track for delivery of the groundbreaking Lucid Air this year, and we're on track for our production schedule. The $4.4 billion that this merger has accrued puts us on a path where we can accelerate our growth as a business and mitigate risk. Both those things are now possible. This is the key which opens the door for future growth and stability. In our Casa Grande plant, we've already started ground leveling for an incredible integration of phases 2 and 3 of the factory, bringing 2.7 million square foot of expanded factory space ready for the introduction of the Gravity project in late 2023. And today, there's more significance because today we're launching the Lucid Group of companies. My vision for the company is to really expand the electromobility space beyond just cars, energy storage, and electromobility applications through our technology division for eVTOL, marine, and all forms of transport.
It's just a lot that I'm excited about. But having said that, this week, I'm going to wait and see if there is a pullback. And so I can buy more at a better price. Okay. Long term, I'm going to tell you that now things are changing. Now I believe that I'm going to make just as much money on Lucid than Tesla. Short term. Long term, I believe I'm going to make more money on Lucid as far as a car is concerned, an EV, electric vehicle, than all of the other. All right. Let's go to Nio. Nio's having a pullback because China's doing a crackdown on all publicly traded, on some publicly traded Chinese companies. And so China's doing this crackdown, and Lucid, being a Chinese company, is feeling it's feeling the heat. You know, I came up in a big family. You know, it's like, you know, somebody did something wrong. Nobody wanted to fess up. We all got a whooping, you know, and so that's what's happening with Nio right now. OK, and so these are some of the things that we want to look at this week. I'm looking at getting some Lucid, Nio, and Tesla this week. I'm going to watch them and see who dips the most and why. And I'm looking for buying opportunities. So that's what I'm doing with the EV space. Now, having said that, when you're building your EV portfolio, I'm telling you, a lot of people are still asleep on General Motors and Ford. General Motors will be one of the top three. You know, the legacy car companies here in America have been asleep at the wheel. You know, they got in bed with the oil companies many years ago. That's my belief. And so now they are forced to move with what's dominating right now, and that's electric vehicles. And they are here to stay. They're not going anywhere. They're only going to get bigger. As a matter of fact, gas engines are going to continue to shrink, and electric vehicles are going to continue to grow. The sooner you get in and the sooner you invest, the more money you're going to make. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You got to do your own research and your own due diligence. I got to say that. All right. But I'm looking to make a fortune off of this whole industry, you know, with ChargePoint as far as the charging station, EVgo as far as one of the charge stations. There's a lot of them. Plug. But I'm more bullish on ChargePoint and EVgo. Those are my number one and number two electric charging. We also know that cryptocurrency is killing it. And for those of you that followed my play the other week, last week, when I said, hey, this conference is coming up, the B word conference, and it's going to be an upward catalyst, making all crypto go up. It was a great play. Remember, I'm going to make another video probably tomorrow about cryptocurrencies and why they're doing so good, from the B word conference with Kathy Wood and Elon. And so that is one of the things. I'm going to just shelve that and talk about that tomorrow. I just want to go to what my nephew asked me. My nephew asked, I can never say ask correctly. You know, I'm from Chicago. We say X. All right. So my nephew asked me a really good question, good people. He said, listen, he said, between my Fidelity brokerage and my Webull brokerage, which one should I have my high growth stock in and which one should I trade? And I'm going to be honest with you. This is just me. You do what suits you. OK, I told him that I had it set up wrong. All right. And so here's what I did. I had my high growth stock in my Webull account, and I had everything else in my Fidelity account. Of course, I had my Fidelity account for 25 years. And so with the adoption of the Webull, I started having high growth in there. So I would buy the dips. You literally can call Fidelity or whoever you have, and you can ask them to move all or a portion of your stock over. So what he did is he had his EVs or his high growth stock moved over from Webull. Now, I'm just telling you, this is not, I'm not suggesting that you do this. I'm just letting you know you can do this. Had it moved over from Webull to Fidelity, You go, yeah, Larry, but you always talk about Webull. Here's why I like Webull. I use Webull for my swing trades, okay? I have my high growth stock in my Fidelity account. I use Webull for my swing trades. And here's why. It is phone friendly, more phone friendly than all of the traditional, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity. With Webull, the minimum was $100, but now they've extended their promotion, so you only have to put in $5. And they also have fractional shares. So if you click the link below, it does help the page out. Just want to let you guys know that. All right. So those are the stock I want you to look out for this week. I got this shirt. Hopefully you can see this. What's up, good people? And for those of you that wanted to purchase it yesterday, we had some technical difficulties. And remember, I was giving all of that money away to charity, and I'm going to continue that. I'm going to extend it out a day because we had a day. I'm going to tell you guys something. When you want to do something good and something bad happens and prohibit you from doing something good, don't take that as a sign that you weren't supposed to do it. Take it as a sign that you were supposed to do it. And I'm not going to let the devil win over this. I'm going to do it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add to it. All right, good people. So now, if you liked anything I said, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell if you're new. We'll talk to you tomorrow, good people. See you later.